Hey everybody, in this short lesson I'd like to talk about a sound-driven animation effect. Let's see how it's actually done. So here I have a simple torus and I'm doing a little sort, and then I'm adding noise and transferring that to my primitives, and I'm using this color as a z-scale attribute to have different extrusions. Then I'm deleting color attribute, but using this scale to actually to adjust my colors on those extrusions. So the more extrusion I have, uh, the more color change it will have. Then I'm adding some more noise, and let me turn off this for a while. So here I have some noise multiplier, so um, which I'm using as a pattern to not to extrude just in one place. So those extrusions would play all over the torus. And then I'm using color. Okay, then normals and material. I made a little setup. You can check it out. How I used, like whenever I have more extrusion, it will start gluing, while the rest of torus will remain a plain color. Okay, and ChalkNet itself. Here in my file, I'm keeping only one channel. Here I have two. Then I'm doing I'm extracting different channels. In this case, I wanted to extract drum channel and some uh, uh, like high frequent noises that you hear in the sound. Then again, I'm keeping only one channel. If I turn everything off just to visualize, here I have some smaller noises and some higher ones. Then I use mass to multiply, just to have overall control over the extrusions, not being too big and too small. Just here as well. And then if there is too much flickering um, in the noise, you can use envelope, which allows me to blur it slightly. So if I just increase, you see, it allows you to not to be that frequent and noisy, but be more smoother. Then I add them together, and this one I'm using to have positive only. Then renaming my channel and outputting it, and I'm using this channels in my extrusion. Here I have a path to my channel, uh, which I use as a driver. Um, Here's some color controls in the end. Here I'm using my poly extrude channel as additive color on those extrusions. And yeah, this is a very simple effect, but looks quite nice. So um, you can test it by yourself, and maybe you'll create something more interesting than I did. Um, and I leave you with this music until the end, and thank you for your attention, and I'll see you in the next lessons. Goodbye.